If you have been looking to take the high-risk, tedious chore of cleaning multi-story or sprawling floor-to-ceiling glass entirely off your hands, you are going to want to stick around for this. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at the WA9C Pro window cleaning robot. This is not your basic, street-prone manual window squeegee setup. This is an advanced, automated glass cleaning powerhouse engineered with the precision 4-nozzle dual spray system, intelligent AI path planning, and a robust triple safety architecture. Right out of the box, the first thing that catches your eye is its sleek, low-profile physical build designed to effortlessly mount onto standard glass, framed windows, sliding doors, or tiled surfaces. Setting it up is completely straightforward. You plug in the power components, secure the safety tether, snap on a fresh microfiber cleaning cloth, and place it on the glass. Now, let us talk about performance, because the spray and cleaning mechanics here are top tier. Unlike older models that rely on a single or dual-side mist, the WA9C Pro utilizes an advanced 4-nozzle water spray configuration. By atomizing water into a fine, uniform mist directly onto the glass ahead of the cleaning path, it rapidly dissolves stubborn grime, bird droppings, dust, and water spots, ensuring the microfiber pads wipe the surface completely streak-free in a single fluid pass. Driven by an intelligent AI path planning engine, the robot maps out its route systematically, navigating an optimized Z-pattern or N-pattern strokes to ensure zero missed spots. It dynamically calculates edges and frame boundaries, making it exceptionally efficient for large glass panes. Safety is paramount when working high off the ground, and the WA9C Pro features a comprehensive triple safety system. High-strength vacuum suction. It grips tightly to the glass using powerful internal motor suction that offsets gravity with absolute stability. Uninterruptible power supply. UPS if your home suffers a sudden power outage. The built-in backup battery kicks in immediately to hold the robot securely in place while sounding an alert. Secure safety tether. A heavy-duty climbing-grade safety rope and buckle system provide physical security for high-rise outdoor applications. Operating the unit is entirely effortless. You can switch between 6 versatile cleaning modes using the included handheld remote control or direct on-device controls, allowing you to target heavily soiled areas, execute spot cleaning, or run full automated cycles with zero hassle. If you want to enjoy crystal clear, sparkling windows across your entire home without ever risking your safety on a ladder or wasting hours scrubbing by hand, the WA9C Pro window cleaning robot is an absolute game changer. Click the link below for the best price.